Hello friends, today we are going to make Krishna Bhagwan's cloth, okay, for dress for him. So for that we need, okay, or this type of ribbon, satin ribbon. But I got some idea. I was having feta. You must be knowing in Maharashtra the boys wear the feta. So this is uh, the front portion of the feta which comes like this. We get the plates this way. So what I'm going to use this plate and I'm going to make the Krishna Bhagwan this one. But if you don't have this, then what you have to do I will show you. So for first thing I will show you how to measure it. Okay, now how much you need, any strip, okay, take any type of cloth. I'm going to show you on this. Okay, see, this is almost 3.5. Okay, and I'm counting in inch, huh? Children, I'm counting in inch. This is almost, you have to take at least putting in centimeter. Now what I'm going to do, so after marking it, please cut it on the spot. I'm going to show you very simple method for the plates, running tip, okay, running stitches. You're going to go easy method. See, start from, this is the back side. First I'm starting from the back side. See, I'm just going to roll it. Okay, just roll it, nothing else. And if you're taking a plain one, now you catch plates you get. See, okay, I'm done. Now just pull it like this. Okay, after pulling it, see, immediately you will get. After this, what you're going to do nicely. Okay, now one more time you're going to swing it in this position only. Okay, just go for, when you tight it, secure the tight. See, you can keep the old thing also, that how much ring is coming. Okay, you can go little bit more tighten. Okay, tight it. See this. But what happened in this condition, you have to put the lace here. If you don't have this type plain one, then you can put the lace here and a smaller lace on the downside, or downside or upper side. So this way, on only one side you can put it. This type of lace you can use, and then first put the lace, okay, whole over, and then make the plates. See, this is done. We have to make this much. See, can you see this? This much you should be leaving the place. See, can you see now? Yes, almost that much space I am leaving it. Okay, now one more time you are going in this position. One more time after pulling this tightly, go one more time. See, this way you are going to put the, one more time you are going. Okay, so this plate will be, see children, you can try first on the rough cloth. Okay, and once you get it, okay, you are done it. So it is very easy, no problem children. Now this also, this portion also you have to secure. Okay, see, here you can put a ribbon here, or you can just fold it. See, this way, fold it and secure it. Done. So whichever you want. See, is 9 centimeter. So we need 4 inch too, but what I'm going to do with very short way. See, this is 9 inch. Fold it into two. See, keeping this side, the front side, okay, not the back side. Now see how I had kept on the corner together, little bit of bunch. I'm going to take it, closing this way. The strip we are going to add on the other side. See, can you see? Now add on the other. Get it together little bit, all together, and then this way you have to seal it nicely so the thread, see, this way you get it, okay, on the both the corners. Now the center one. Now what I'm going to do, see, see, cut it into the between, okay. Now this way, okay, bring it like this, see, bring it like this here together, okay, and just see, this is, this side is ready. Now the other one, see, same way you are going to do this way, okay, and then stitch it, little bit overlap on this one. See, this way Krishna will look so pretty now. See, so try your dress for the Krishna and enjoy your stitching.